Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from DoorDash merchant app payouts, full guide step by step clearly. Open the DoorDash merchant app on your device. Log in using your registered email and password. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Locate and tap on the payouts section. In the payouts section, you will see your earnings summary. Review the available balance to determine how much you can withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw button. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Ensure that your payment details are correct for the selected method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal amount. Review any applicable fees associated with the withdrawal method. Tap on Confirm to proceed with the transaction. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Check your email for any updates related to your withdrawal status. Monitor your bank account or payment method for the incoming funds. If you encounter any issues, revisit the payouts section for more information. Reach out to DoorDash support if you experience persistent problems. Once the funds appear, your withdrawal process is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.